Alas 8 ng umaga ngayong August 11, nandito tayo ilang nautical miles ang distansya natin mula rito sa Baho de Masinloc. Nagsimula nang mag-water cannon itong China Coast Guard 3306 na nasa ating gilid.
In the waters of Huangyan Island of the People's Republic, China. Your vessel is about to enter the contiguous zone of Huangyan Island of the People's Republic, China.
To ensure the safety of our fishing vessel in the natural resources between economic